Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a great day today. First things first, before we get started, go ahead and do me a favor. Click that subscribe button. Click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? I'm back, guys, with the Postcard Tycoon, okay? This is a program I've been promoting, actually, when they were first created. 2016, this program came out. Okay, this company has several programs, okay, that I've been a part of. As you can see, this is the postcard. This one is strictly a postcard program. It's a direct mail program, okay. As you can see, this is a nice glossy postcard front and back, okay. This is the Postcard Tycoon. This particular program, it's a direct mail program. You never really have to speak to anybody, guys. You're just going to mail this postcard out. This program pays $300 per sale, okay? There's no pass-ups, any of that. There's no monthly fees. And you're going to be paid via money order, okay? So the company gets an admin fee of $198, and then you send a $300 money order in the person name that you're joining. So you're going to have two money orders, one for $300, one for $198, and you mail them both to the company. Okay, mail them both to the company, which is on this card. Okay, and then they will in turn mail the payment to each person, so you don't have to worry about any problems because the money order is in your name. The 300 is in your name, and then the 198 is in the company's name. And the reason they want to receive the payment, both payments, is because they're going to keep track of those payments. And in every fifth sale, okay, it tells you here on this card. Let's see. There we go. Every fifth sale, you're going to get 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps. They're going to mail you, okay, on every fifth sale for life. That's the 5 for life, okay? So, check it out. This is a great program to get started in. With this one, it comes with 250 leads and 250 cards, just like this. You're going to have your own, I bought a domain, but you're going to have, the company assigns everybody an ID. So it'll have a website with an ID on the end of it, okay? So you're going to have that. So it comes with a website, okay? So you get in your starter kit 250 cards, front and back, color, just like this, and 250 leads to get you started. All you need to do is buy your stamps. You're going to get the postcard stamps, okay? And just drop these in the mail. That will get you started. And then when you join me, I'm going to give you 250 extra leads, okay? So what I'm going to need you to do is you're going to need to contact me, okay, so that I'll know when I receive your payment that you saw this video or some notification that stated I will give you the 250 leads, okay? Because I'm going to need your information to get the leads to you, okay? So, great program, guys. Just mail these. Just drop them in the mail. That's all you got to do. And I've got a great company that I've been using to get these printed, to get this really nice glossy front and back at a very great rate, okay? So, I've got these ready. I've got to get them going for Monday mailings, okay? But that's it, guys. This is a great program to get started in if you don't want to deal with internet marketing or any of that. Great one, okay? And of course, you know my other program is Impact Mailing Club, okay? And that one we mail flyers or postcards. It's up to you. But this one is strictly postcards only. 300 per sale, okay? All right, but I'm here to show you today. I'll put the link below. I got a payment in the mail, okay, right here from, let's see, it's this side, WTM, and let's see. This is dated, looks like November 26th, okay? So, just know too, guys, I'm not going to open up an envelope every time I get a payment, okay? Because my channel is not about just opening up packages. If you go back and follow my channel, or you've been a subscriber of my channel, you already know that I've been getting payments and showing you proof of that, okay? So this is just another day. But I just want to keep you guys updated. So I'm not going to be opening up a package every time I get a payment, just so you know. But I want to show you this one. So we're going to go ahead and open it up real quick. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Check this out. Check out this program. I'll put the link below. Okay. And click that notification bell too, so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay. Let's see here. Put this to the side. No, I never spoke to this person. You know, you can look at it and I can see if I can see the name. Never spoke to this person. Just got this in the mail. I got an email from the owner. He did notify me, hey, you know, sale came in. And that's how he notifies me sometime. And then sometime I just go to the mailbox and they're in there. But I do not want to, I'm going to put this over this person's name. But I'm just going to say, Eugene, welcome aboard out of Florida. And I'm just going to cover up his information here at the bottom. Okay. And I'll show you this payment. Okay. Boom. 300. Okay. So this program works. Postcard Tycoon, get in this program. Again, I will give you an extra 250 leads, even though it comes with 250. That's just an extra bonus I'm going to give you, as well as some other marketing tips I will share with you. But this did come from WTM, guys. Okay. All right. So that's all I've got for you. I look forward to working with you in any of my direct mail programs. Just get in touch with me. But first, go ahead and click the link. Check it out. Review everything. If you have any questions from there, jot them down first, okay? Look at the information first, and then give me a call. I'll be happy to talk to you guys, okay? But the Tycoon works. It's been working for 3 years, all right? So, look forward to working with you guys. See you in the next video. Have a blessed day.